It's Sunday at MACH 2022. Joe, we've been waiting 4 years for this moment. The world has changed significantly in 4 years, but it'll be interesting to see how the machine tool industry has changed.
It's going to change a lot. I think we can see lots more automations, lots more i4, things like that, but let's go take a look, why not?
We've got the Akuma Stand over here, and we actually got Richard Turner just behind that machine, so we'll go and grab him straight away. He can be our first victim of the day. Mr. Turner, how are you doing? You all right?
Yeah, good, thanks. You?
How's the stand coming along?
Going well, yep. You know, Sunday, nearly there. Pull back the carpet soon, we're ready to go.
This brings back memories of 2018.
I know, and it seems like it's such a long time ago, you know, missing that 2 years ago, but now we're here. A lot of the technology's moved on. Here we get the show.
We've just said outside, you know, a lot has changed in the world in 4 years. How's the technology changed in 4 years?
There's a lot, really. I think a lot of people, it pushed the automation a bit more, you know. There's a lot more automation being looked at now because of unmanned running, you know. Getting that person away from the machine, getting them able to do more things, you know, away from the machine, that's a big focus for a lot of people.
Thanks. We're obviously back on this stand for the live in the week, so make sure you tune in live. Thanks, Richard.
Here we see a Star GB.
Should we go on this stand and see what's going on? These are another one of our lives this week, aren't they, Joe?
They are. So we're going to be looking at various machines. I think there's half a dozen or so machines on this stand. But yeah, we all know what you get from Star, but tune in live this week and
Let's
you're
go
going
and
to
walk
see.
through. I think they've still got a lot of preparation to do, but the stand's coming on nicely.
This is
looking
nice.
forward
not,
to...
not something you necessarily associate with a sliding head, is it? Fanuc robot, obviously the equator, for third-party author, you know, make sure the part's correct, CMM.
It's complete automation, isn't it? The metrology's built into the process, which is fantastic. I think Steve Totti's over there. Should we try and grab him quickly?
And there's the beast, the 38. I'm going to be talking about that later this week.
Yeah,
absolute monster of a machine.
Steve, are you all right to say a few words? Stand's coming along nicely. What can people expect to see?
A completed stand, hopefully, for starters. We've got 11 machines, you know, automation, all sorts. A lot has changed in 4 years. So yeah.
Can't wait to be coming on the stand and reviewing the machines. Thanks, Steve.
For a hot dog.
And you come for a beer on our stand too.
Exactly, brilliant.
Thanks, Steve. I think I'm going to put a few pounds on this week, you know, Joe.
Ceratizit.
Yeah,
this is a good stand, isn't it?
Should we pop on, Joe?
You can't say enough good things about the Ceratizit brand.
It's quite interesting, Joe. You might not necessarily associate Ceratizit with work holding solutions, but they're also showcasing some work holding solutions here as well. Hello, how you doing? All right, Tony? You got a second to tell us how it's going along? How's it coming in?
It's going great so far. We've got a bit of a leak, but apart from that, everything's great.
A leak? What kind of leak?
Well, I think it was the coffee machine.
The most important thing on a Monday morning is the coffee, isn't it?
It's going to be tomorrow morning, yeah, after today, yeah.
Or you need your coffee and your bike. Where's your bike?
Actually in the bike.
Yeah.
Have a look?
Yeah,
oh, yeah, that'd be great.
It's HB 130 mountain bike, 29er. There you have the the Olympic gold winning bike.
Oh, fantastic.
Made by Hope with our cutting tools. So yeah, that'll be on display tomorrow. Katie Archibald on the stand, Olympic gold medalist. Well, live draw at 2 p.m. can win one of those.
Fantastic. So there you have it, guys. Anyone watching this on a Sunday evening, make sure to get to MACH on Monday onto the Ceratizit Stand. And you can download the MTD app. Don't forget about the MTD app. We're next to LK Metrology, which are our neighbours for the show. And we can hopefully catch up with Steve. Yeah. Steve, you looks like you're struggling down there. How are you? How's it going?
Really good, really good.
What's new from LK and what can we expect to see this week?
Well, basically, we've got a new software package with the Cameo for doing gear measurement, gear inspection.
Great, Stan. Good luck for the rest of your build, Steve. Thank you.
Good reason to come to LK because we're next door. The guys have done a great job,
Mark and Paul are over here, so we'll go and grab them. And how's it coming along?
It's looking good. It's all coming together now. I mean, I've got to say, when we were here Friday, it's moved on obviously a lot, but it looks really impressive. Really, really pleased.
What's going to be happening on the stand, Mark?
Lots. We've got some lovely ladies handing some invitations out, so you can come and have a beer on our stand or a coffee from 4 o'clock each day. But Also, lots of our videos being played, and we're going to go live on a lot of stands, as you know, guys.
So we got the Swarf and Chips bar here, along with our good friends at Interco.
And if you come round the side here, I think some of the graphics from Interco are just being put up now. This is some of the bars that Interco supply, stand. And Rowan. Rowan's doing the Hexagon stand, and it's his first MACH with MTD. So I'm sure he's really excited about that.
Sodik. It's finished.
We're going to be on here for another live. I'm sure we're allowed to stand. We'll have a quick cheeky look through. Don't know about Sodik. They supply lots of different solutions for EDM, for fast milling, dipole EDM applications, even additive manufacturing, metal additive manufacturing. So again, come on to the stand and check them out whilst you're at MACH.
Good friends at MACH. So another visit for our week. It's just beautiful. I love the new livery on the MX420 with a 10-piece pallet pull. Fantastic.
And round the back here, you've also got the Muratech machines that they also offer for turning applications. Again, fully automated. These machines are absolutely rapid with an overhead gantry system here, Joe. Again, for high precision regard. Another one of our lives, which I'm looking forward to go onto the Dugard stand myself. I've got a few.
They've got some great brands, haven't they? Kizimura, obviously the spec machines, just world-class technologies. And what I like, the turning centres, they've got BMCs, 5-axis machines, and of course Hanwha sliding head lathes now as well.
And you know what? We've just dropped on another two lives here. Heimbuch and Hamer. Should we start with your friends at Hamer, Joe?
Yeah, I'd like to say we planned that year. Hamer, what can you say about Hamer? Wonderful technology. They do everything, don't they? Apart from the machine itself. So you can do the tool holder, you can balance the tool holder, you can shrink the tool holder. They've got 3D setters, they've got solid carbide tooling, they've got modular tooling. There's not a lot they don't do. What do you know about Hamer?
Getting the best out of your machine tool, you need the best cutting tool holders, you need to be presetting your machine tools correctly. Heimbuch are renowned for the turning solutions that they offer with the collet truck systems. And you can see a range of collets here, but it can also be used as an expanding mandrel. During the week, we're also going to be looking at the milling solutions that they offer. Some people are probably not aware of them solutions. So these collets with the holes in them can quite easily be automated. So you're not only changing the component, but you're also changing the setup.
So Gio, I recognise this colour.
Orange,
Hoffman,
yeah.
Fantastic business. The Garant range, it's complete is probably a good word for it. Look at that indexable drill, that's a monster.
We're going to be covering Hoffman on the live stream as well, another one of our live streams. They've got a plant on the stand and you'll find out why that plant's on the stand. I believe it's something to do with sustainability, but we'll find that out. How are you doing, mate?
Yeah, how you doing, mate? We're getting there now, as you can see. Lots of product on the stand. Yeah, lots of interesting things to talk about, show you, and of course our legendary GSP.
So you're the last live, Chester Machine Tools. Oh, our good friends from Tamework Holding. Hello, gents. How are we?
Well, it matches with my cap, it matches with my high-vis, the newly branded machine tools from Chester. So they've also got the Chester Hawk TC200ML, which we'll be reviewing live on their stand. And actually, here he is. Graham, how you doing?
Good to see you.
It's like we've been round the halls and there's still so much work to do on most of the stands, but it looks like you're pretty much done.
You're the first to be finished, maybe?
I think so. I'm about ready for a beer. We're really excited with the new products we've got.
Yeah, I have to say, pretty much everyone knows Chester for traditional machines, don't they? But these modern CNC machines look beautiful.
Yeah. The quality is excellent. As before, everything's standard on them as well.
Right, we've got to go all the way back up there now, Joe, back to our stand. But
I have to say, I'm blown away. I'm blown away by levels of technology. We are seeing some themes, aren't we? We are definitely, I think we could have guessed we're going to see more robotics, but pretty much every stand's got automation, hasn't it? But I guess
it's key.
Industry's showing that now, isn't it?
Yeah,
Would you buy a machine without automation? Possibly not.
And Shunk.
And last but not least, our good friends at Shunk. Looks like they're getting ready. We'll be on this stand. We've got the flexi loader from ABB. Obviously, they're showcasing their automation solutions.
And we're back on the MTD stand. It looks like a few more people have turned up. We've got Ian Carver down there, Rhys Williams down there.
The workers and the shirkers. Wow.
And the Interco logo looks like it's just about to be placed into position, just in time for Les Priest to view it at home watching this on LinkedIn. So there you have it, a tour, behind the scenes tour of MACH 2022. First one in 4 years, Joe?
Yeah. everyone watching this, you need to come and see this. If you can put 2 days in the diary, it is really a 2-day show. But if you can't come for 2, come for 1. If you can't come for 1, watch it on the MTD CNC channels and our new app.